in our daily job, we do simulation, we import a model, generate mesh, specify material. For design phase, we don't have a real process condition. We use default process. After that, we submit a simulation. So the workflow is the same. Yeah, we can write a script to simplify the entire setup process and allows user only specify input of such like 6 click to create a simulation. Also, we can use API for pre-processing, help user to create a runner system. If you can build an algorithm to generate a runner system, you can use API to create line and set attribute as co-runner and hard runner. The third scenario is you can use Studio API to do batch simulations, not only for one simulation, but you can also create multiple simulations at the same time, just to specify different get location or materials. The second one is you can use the API to create a smart assist, help user to summarize the result, generate a report. Depends on what you are interested in, how many result items you are want to check. Also, you can use API to multitask those tasks. Our computing devices now are capable for multitasking. So we can multitasking, we can create a lot of projects and simulation for different runs at the same time. With API, we can use API to optimize the simulation, the part design, get location, get size, runner system, cooling system, and also process conditions such like material or mold temperature, melt temperature, filling time, packing time, and the cooling conditions. So API help us to build a customized application to pull requests to integrate with Model 3D pre and post, help you launch analysis, and we can get result on the generated report. So I also asked ChatGPT why API made this. I got an answer. It says, key point is API play a key role in enabling the digital transformation of business and the industry. So a lot of users are very interested in API topic.